The famous Pontine Marshes of Italy are located about 50 miles south of Rome, in the province of Latina, in a 378 square mile coastal plain. For 2,000 years, the area remained a malarial-infested swamp, until Benito Mussolini and his fascist regime drained the marshes beginning in 1928, in what was called the Bonifica Integrale, a comprehensive plan for the draining and ruralization of the region. The draining by Mussolini resulted in an extensive water infrastructure system of controlled rivers, dams, and pumps. In fact, the area has 2.7 times more artificial drainages than natural ones, as less than 5% of the province is not farmed or urbanized. The landscape is a highly mechanized, efficient engineering marvel. Latina is critical as a major agricultural area for fruit and vegetable production. It is the world's leading exporter of kiwi fruit and supplies Rome with much of its fresh produce. But all of this intensive agriculture necessitates high inputs of water and agricultural chemicals, including water-polluting nitrates and phosphates. Compounding this problem is the lack of reliable treatment of sewage from the province's cities, which directly enters into irrigation canals. These and other land use problems, such as pharmaceutical chemical plants, have pushed the Pontine Plains towards a calamitous environmental tipping point whereby the agricultural economy faces collapse. PREX collaborated with agencies from the province to study, analyze, and recommend landscape strategies for dealing with the environmental problems of the region. Research began with mapping the area's 10 basins and 100 sub-basins as a pollution matrix, revealing that only one of the 10 basins has clean drinking water. Based on this and other regional analyses and local fieldwork, PREX tested design strategies to simultaneously maximize much-needed public parks, remediate environmental impacts, limit illegal urbanization and groundwater extraction, and clean contaminated water flowing off the plain into the sea. The first design strategy is a new 2 square kilometer wetland machine intended to clean water contaminated with agricultural chemicals, create a patchwork of vegetative communities, decrease saltwater intrusion by increasing groundwater recharge, and promote biological exchange for breeding fish and aquatic life. Working with MIT's NEP Environmental Fluid Mechanics Lab, run by civil and environmental engineering professor Heidi Nepf and her students, PREX tested the pollution removal capacity of various wetland design configurations. Dye flow tests were used to measure the efficiency of each wetland design prototype. This collaboration is typical of PREX's multidisciplinary research. The second design strategy is the dune machine, which protects the largest city in the province from rising sea levels, provides low-impact recreational space, and creates multiple ecological biomes across the coastal dunes transect. The resulting design is demonstrably more sustainable and able to persist without expensive infinite inputs, unlike many large parks. The design's landscape systems are retrofitted with a robust plasticity rather than a delicate balance of elements in need of constant maintenance. For more information about this project, please see Elizabeth Rosenthal's featured story in the New York Times, or search the MIT homepage archives, or visit the ReWetland Project website.